Hi, welcome to another video. So you love Elementor and you'd like to continue using Elementor inside your website. And also you want to create the header and footer using Elementor. But you do not have the opportunity to get the Elementor Pro version yet. So no worry, in this video I'll be showing you how you can create your header and footer using Elementor without using the Pro version. So let's dive into my computer. And as you can see in this video, I'll be using Elementor header and footer builder. This will allows you to create Elementor header and footer easily inside your website. And for making this tutorial, I'll be using Astra theme. You can use any kind of theme. It doesn't matter. It works almost every single theme except the Hello Elementor theme, because the Hello Elementor doesn't allow you to use the Elementor header and footer builder inside their theme, and that's why I'm going to use the Astra theme here. So if you just take a look at here, it has more than 1 million active install, and the rating is here. You can see almost 5 stars. So that's a great plugin. And also there are a couple of other things. You already know that we can create certain sections inside Elementor Pro. So if you are familiar with the Elementor Pro version, where you will be able to create any kind of section and it will generate the shortcode. So basically what we do, we just copy the shortcode and paste anywhere inside our post or pages to display certain things, block item, or any specific section inside our post or pages. So using the Elementor header and footer builder, the free version of this plugin, you will be able to generate shortcode as well. So without further any delay, let's dive into my computer again and start creating our first header and footer. So first of all, I'm going to install the Astra theme from here. So I have already installed. Let's click activate. And now if I just take a look at the website, it's blank website. Now I'm going to install the plugin called Elementor header and footer. And click install now. So as you can see, make sure the plugin is created by Brainstorm Force and Nikhil Chauhan as well. So let's install, and it takes just few seconds. Click activate. Now as you can see, it requires to install Elementor version. So I'm going to click install Elementor now from here and click activate. So we just install and activate the Elementor and also the header footer builder for Elementor. Now it's time to create our first header. But before creating the header, first of all, there are two things that you have to keep in your mind. You have to add a logo and then create a menu. So let's create a menu first and then add a logo. To create a menu, I'd like to click or hover over the appearance, then go to menus. And then there is no menu here. I'm going to add a primary menu. Click create menu. And now there is no page, so I would like to use custom link here. Let's add home. I'm using tab right now here so that I can create menu faster. And now I'm going to add services. Blog. So I just create a random menu here. That's it. And click save menu. You do not have to save the menu location, the display location from here, because I'm not going to use the Astra header footer builder on this video. I'm going to use the Elementor. So now we just create our menu, and the next thing is navigate to the customize. So I'd like to open a new tab here to keep this dashboard open here so that I can come back here again. And now inside the customizer, I'm going to click on header builder. Then here you can see site title and logo. This is the most important part. From site title and logo, I would like to upload a logo, and the site title is working like logo, and even there is site icon. So it's not necessary to understand the site icon as of now. There is a lot of tutorial in my channel where you can start learning how to create a header, how to create a footer using Astra header footer builder. Also, you can follow the description where I will attach the link as well. Let's click on logo. And let's upload something. So here I'm going to add a logo. Let's navigate to download. Click open here. Well, so this is just a random logo for test purpose, for making this video, nothing else. So that's it. You do not have to customize or change anything else here. I'm going to publish this one. So that's it, and we have completed the menu and the logo. Now it's time to start building our header using the Elementor header and footer builder. Now let's navigate to the Elementor header and footer builder from the appearance tab. So inside the appearance tab, as you can see, it's already displaying the Elementor header and footer builder. I'm just clicking over here, and now just click add new. And there are a couple of steps that you have to follow. If you just want, you can skip them as well. So I'm going to select here export, and for myself, click next. If you want, you can subscribe to the newsletter from here as well, but if you do not, you can simply skip, and it will redirect to the add new header and footer section. So let's type here primary header. You can add any kind of name. And there are a couple of things that you have to understand how it works. So first of all, here is the custom field tab. You can hide this custom field. It's not necessary. I'm going to click over here from screen options, and it's now hidden. You can also just drag and drop certain things here, but I'm not going to change anything else except the meta information. So here you can see the type of template. Let's click options here, and I'm going to create a header right now, so that's why I'm going to select the header. You can use before footer, you can create footer, even you can create custom block. So when you select custom block, that I have already said you can use, or it generates the shortcode. So now it's time to create header. Let's select header, and I would like to display this entire website. From here you can create specific header for a specific page. So you can create header only on search result page, only on front page, or any kind of post, any kind of specific page you can also select from here. Let's say for an example, if I select all singular, so as you can see it's singulars, but that means it will display including post and pages as well. If you want, you can also add exclusion rules, which is very important. If I click over here, that means do not display on. So I do not want to display this header on front page or search page. You can select as many as you want. So let's say if I select front page, I can add again. So this is just example. Let's add search page and add as many as you want, but I'm not going to exclude any of them from here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select entire website, because I would like to display this header entire website, and that's it. Just click publish. Also, you can change the user roles here. As you can see, there is an options, but if you want to create a specific header for logged in user, for logged out user, for administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, you can do it easily from here. But I'm not going to change it. But if you just keep the basic or just selected options, it doesn't matter. It will not going to conflict anything else here. But the best way and the good practice is select all from here. Click update. And now you can just click edit with Elementor. So that's the beauty. And now we are moving into the Elementor part. From here, you can now create the header. So simply, I hope you already know how to create header. However, let me show you. So first of all, before creating a header, so let me introduce with the elements that are coming with the Elementor or header footer builder for Elementor. So first of all, I'm going to close all the options by clicking on this arrow icon here, general, and because those are not necessary as of now. And here you can see the Elementor header and footer builder tab. And there are only 8 widgets or elements that you can use from here: retina image, copyright, navigation menu, page title, tagline, site title, site logo, and search. And that's enough for creating a header and footer as well. Now let's drag the site logo because we have added our site logo already. That's it. And we can change the position from left, right, and center. And also let's add a navigation or menu by clicking over here again. Select the navigation and let's make it vertical align center. From here, and add a button here as well. So let's type here button. Well, so that's the default color from Elementor, and that's the default style. I'm not going to change style or not going to change the color as of now because it's just only to understand how the Elementor header and footer works. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply change the menu. Just select the menu. I'd like to create 2 columns here. I'd like to take the button to the end of the menu, and this is a tricky part here. Select menu, go to advanced, change the width to inline auto, and select the button here, go to advanced, change it to inline auto. Well, now select the column area here. So from here you can change the vertical and horizontal align as well. It's very easy. Let's change it to end. So that means, as you can see, it's displaying at the end easily, right? And now I'd like to reduce the space here and add a background color. So let's change the background color to any color. For an example, I just add this color here, or you can change it to any color, but let's keep it white. And that's it. Let's change the menu color, button text from here. Let's get started. So the goal is not here to how to create a beautiful header, how to create a beautiful footer. It's just, I just wanted to introduce with you how to build header using Elementor for free. And now we have just complete the header area. That's it. And there are a couple of things to, okay, get strt started. So there are a couple of things. Let's make it responsive. And also there are few additional information from menu item that you can use when you're using the header and footer builder. Let's select the menu item from here, go to content, and as you can see the layout. From here you can see the layout is horizontal. You can select vertical, expanded, and flyout. The most important and useful things that I used from here, which is flyout. When I select flyout, you can see when I click over here, it's a nice flyout menu. You can create it easily using the free version of this plugin, and that's really great. But as of now, I'm going to use the horizontal layout for this video. So almost everything is similar to the Elementor Pro here, and I'm not going to change so many things as of now. And let's change it later on for the responsive view. When I select responsive view, select here, and this is the menu, right? Click the menu item first here, and as you can see the layout on the left side, the responsive view here, select right, and it's displaying right. So you can keep the button or you can remove the button but it's completely up to you. So instead, removing the best way is to hide this button on tablet, but if you want to use this button, there are a couple of other ways. Well, so I'd like to hide this button here. So select the button, go to advanced and go to responsive view from here. So hide this button on tablet and mobile devices. Let's close. And as you can see, our menu looks like this. You can change the background color, you can change the menu, other information from here. Let's select the menu and go to layout. So as you can see, the menu has some additional features. If I just select style, I can easily change the background color from the drop down area. Let's change the background color to dark blue, and you can change the text color to white color. Well, so let's close this one so that you can view it, and it looks really beautiful. You can add hover color as well. So here, when I select hover, you can add hover color. When I select active, you can add active color. But as of now, I'm not going to change the hover color and active color. And the important things that I would like to change, which is distance. So if you take a look at here closely, the logo that just overlapping the logo area using the menu. So that's important to add some distance here. Let's add. So it looks nice now. If I just close this one, that's great. And we just complete our header. So let's change the mobile device version here, 50, and also select this column, add 50. And also let's add some spacing. I think I have to add some more spacing here. So there are lots of things, like if you're familiar with the Elementor Pro version, or if you are not familiar with the Pro version header and footer, I'll be creating the Pro version, releasing very soon, and there will be a lot of tutorial related to the Elementor Pro from beginner to advanced. So stay with this channel and hopefully you will enjoy the video. Now let's select the menu from here and then drop down, scroll down and add more spacing here. That's it, and now it looks perfect. So that's all for the menu, and it looks like this, but no worry, you just click on update and it will be displaying perfectly when I reload the page here. Let's reload, and you can also navigate the front page and reload the front page to see how it looks. So here is our menu, and we can also style, hover, we can add border, we can do lot of things here. Just for a quick overview, if I select the menu item again, go to style, and here you can see the link hover effect, and you can easily change the hover effect from here to underline. And when I select underline, you can change the animation as well. That's very useful. So if I just use the fade effect, the fade effect looks like this. If I change to grow, the grow looks like this. It works perfectly. And if I select drop in, here you can see the drop in looks great, right? And there are lots of things like space between. You can add a space, you can gap between the row or a padding, I would say. And also you can change the horizontal padding and a vertical padding as well. So there is almost everything similar to the Elementor Pro version, and you can create any kind of header, any kind of layout using this free plugin. Now it's time to start building our footer area. So in the footer builder, it's the same process, similar process. All you have to simply just follow this video, and I'll be showing you a couple of important things that is important for building the footer. Let's navigate to our dashboard here again and hover over the appearance. Click Elementor header and footer builder, and then click add new. And also if I just take a look at the front page, here you can see the primary header that I have created just now, and you can also edit it from here on the front page. You can just simply click over here like Elementor Pro version and just navigate here to create primary footer and select the footer, select enter website. That's it. And also the user role, I would like to use all as of now. Click publish, click edit with Elementor. That's it. So for footer, there are a couple of elements like copyright, and also there are certain things that you have to understand. It's very useful. For an example, for a quick overview, let's add 3 columns here and also add another column for copyright area, and select the plus icon, scroll down, and here you can see the copyright area. Just drag and drop it here. So as you can see, it comes with a short code, and that's something like that you can change, you can tweak the short code as well. So if I just click on dynamic tabs, it's not from here, and as you can see, the short code are coming from Elementor header footer Elementor, and you cannot change the shortcode. But what the shortcode is, basically the shortcode, the current year is displaying the year, and the site title is displaying the site title, and the powered by Astra free theme. So the site title also the powered by, and that's it. Now let's change the background color here. I know you already know that how to use Elementor, and I'm not going to explain them here again. So let's change the color to white color, and that's it. Just add some kind of menu item. So from here, navigation menu, we just added one menu item. Let's select primary menu, go to layout, change it to vertical, because for footer most of the time we are using vertical menu, and so we can simply duplicate this one, and that's the menu that we have created using the header footer builder. So in our future video, in the near future, I'll be creating a complex project where I'll be showing you how to create header and footer nicely using this plugin as well. And also the main goal will be the Elementor Pro version in our next series tutorial. So it will be a complete project from Figma as well. And if you're new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon so that when I upload any new video, you will get notified. So that's all for today. I hope this little video will be helpful for you to understand how the Elementor works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.